Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to put background color for specific pages in a PDF file using PDF element. Open your PDF file. Now select edit option and select your background option. Now select add background color again and this color option already selected and select add any color and this color and this color opacity you can see and select a custom page option. I'll add color first page and last 3 to 4 and other remain same and simply select apply and see this background color now added first page and page number 3 and 4 and other pages remain same color and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.